In this video we're giving an honest review of the Emirates NBD Mastercard Platinum Credit Card, a premium card designed for frequent travelers and lifestyle enthusiasts in the UAE. With a minimum salary requirement of AED 12,000 per month and an annual fee of AED 700, it offers a range of rewards and exclusive perks. The card earns up to 1.5 plus points for every AED 100 spent, with higher rates on categories like groceries, insurance and car dealerships. Cardholders also enjoy unlimited lounge access at over 25 airports, discounts of up to 40% at more than 100 golf courses worldwide, and up to 30% off bookings with clertrip.com, making it ideal for travel and leisure. However, the interest rate is 3.25% per month, which can accumulate quickly if balances aren't paid in full. This makes careful spending and timely repayment essential to avoid high costs. Overall, the Emirates NBD Mastercard Platinum Credit Card is a strong option for those who travel frequently and can take full advantage of its rewards and perks. It's less suited for those who carry balances or seek a no-fee card. If this review helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest tech and finance insights.